People, those who take whey protein for the first time, don't know how to take it. So it has to be taken in water, coconut water, milk, whatever you want. The liquid should be in normal temperature. It should not be warm. It can be cold, but it cannot be warm, because this whey protein for used for sports nutrition is not heat stable whey. So you need to mix the whey protein in the liquid and not liquid in whey protein. So first take the liquid in the jar and then put the protein. Like, this is the electric shaker. So what? So once you put the protein in water, you can mix it. Like, this is an electric shaker. So this is how it works. And here the protein shake is ready. To order this electric shaker, you can WhatsApp on the number which is in the title. This is electric shaker. It has USB charging. You get a USB cable along with this.